Hello everyone, welcome back to ML Science Studio. Today we are going to talking about normal distribution in NumPy. What is a normal distribution? A normal distribution is also known as a Gaussian distribution. It is a probability distribution that is symmetric about the mean, and so showing the data near the mean are more frequent occurrence than data far from the mean. In graphical representation of the normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve. The normal distribution is one of the most important distribution in statistics. It is used a variety of field, include example the height of people and the weight of animals, and IQ score and test score. The real life of example normal distribution can be used in real life example. A doctor can be used the normal distribution to estimate the probability that a patient blood pressure is within a healthy range. Healthy range, patient blood pressure, okay, and patient BMI. Another example is a teacher can use the normal distribution to estimate the probability that a student will score above a certain grade on a test. In a business, use the normal distribution method to estimate the probability that a customer will spend more than a certain amount of money in a store. Okay, and the normal distribution is a method in a NumPy, and random dot normal method is in a NumPy to get the normal distribution. Okay, these have three parameters. First is a log, the mean of distribution and the average of data, and scale. Scale means the standard deviation of the data and distribution, and size, the shape of the output array. Now let's go to the create a normal distribution from random dot normal methods. Import from NumPy import random, okay, and x variable and random dot normal and size is 10, okay, and print the x, and this is a simple example of generate a normal distribution. Size is a 10 and 1 2 3, and normal distribution is a randomly generate between within range. First is a 1.14 and second is a 0.0 and third is a 0.03 and another is a 4. And now there are three parameters of normal distribution. First is a log means mean, and second is a scale means standard deviation, and third is a size equal to 2,3 means the size of array is a 2 row and each row have a 3 element, and print the x, and create a 2 row and each row have a 3 element 1 2 and 3. And now move to the normal distribution visualization in a bell-shaped curve, and using matplotlib. Import matplot matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and another import the library import seaborn as SNS. This library is used to draw the some type of a graph, and like line graph, bar graph, histogram, and etc. And in previous example, and have used to this parameter, this variable, and run the code and plot the graph SNS dot dist plot x. These normal distribution x and size is according to size x and is equal to false, and now size is 100. Okay, and now plot the graph. In this example, size of the array is 100 and mean is 1 and standard deviation is 2, and SNS.distplot is plot the normal distribution graph and hist.false. Okay, and the size of the array is given range -7 to +7. It is a bell-shaped curve graph. Now it is a bell-shaped curve, and in y-axis is a density of the bell-shaped curve, and each array. You can use the other parameter in this graph. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.